bajika then bakhipha amaphanga okapu yabo ke baqala bangishaye ke ngeimpama they started asking ukuthi ngiphetheni yabo yonke into le start kissing ke labafana la cha wena mamela wena siyakuthatha sihamba nawe wadonsa iplastic le albani brand wathatha le plastic lelo wakuphulula wafaka lelo plastic lelo waqala ke rape the first one kuze the second one the very same plastic like bayaphisana ngale plastic lelo so bebuy 5 right so the first one ngicabanga ukuthi that time bekanabo ma 25 the second one ngicabanga ukuthi bekanabo ma 18 ngebody wise the third one bekanabo ma 14 and then khona umntana ona 10 khona umntana ona like khona na 10 ona 11 bancane laba abanye yabo then ngimtshela ukuthi basebenzise iplastic and nale plastic la khona forensic ilithathe the detective still usathi nya unamanga ayikho lento leyo yabona mhlawumbe bodakiwe so when the forensic made fula iplastic lithola ama sperms la then the detective uthi normally man lo mntana urapiwe kamampela inama sperms le plastic athi detective walifa imvuli inile
Siswami unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Good to see you, hey?
Yeah, nami ngiyajabula ukubala.
Yeah, you didn't get lost coming here.
Ngidine nje kuphela itaxi.
Yeah. Ama-taxi ayahlupha.
Kabuhlungu.
E-MTN.
Yo. Udriver uzowaphela ipetrol so kufanele baphusha ama-passenger. Okay, angiphushanga mina kuphushe laba abanye. Ukuthi afike like ayothela ipetrol.
Yeah. Kuphi khona la?
Yeah, ama-taxi asuka from MTN to here.
Yeah, that's crazy, eh? Yeah, that's insane. Please tell me about yourself. Who are you? Where are you from?
Okay, my name is Simpiwe. My surname is Zondo. I'm from Eval in Palm Springs. But ngikhulele from Thokoza, Extension 2, ngikhuliswa ugogo wami nomkhulu wami and my aunt. So from Sesemncane until grade 7. And then from grade 8, I ngayohlala no mama Eval with my stepdad. So basi family of 8, which it was me, my mom, baba, babam, and then older sister yam, by two my older sister, and then I two my older brother. Then there's the last bonus entry. So I ngafika lapho 2014 ngayenza grade 8 wami esikolweni eTarabula. So okay. Mengifika angisungu umuntu bengasungu othanda ukuhlala namantombazana kakhulu. So I had the vibe of lesbian.
Oh, yeah. Tomboyish. Yeah.
So I dated amantombazana. I was attracted, like amantombazana being more attractive. You understand? So amantombazana. Okay, I'm not gonna say amakama, but they know themselves.
Yeah.
So it happens with Chole. I'm a twin.
Oh,
at the
boy too.
Same time. Yeah.
Ha.
Ignis Tim at the time. But ngamosha ngokuthi ngijole umngane wami. Mamen. Ngamosha mengizojola umngane. So endlini bathola. I think at that time it was 2016 because ngalast ukuba lesbian ngahlala ngilokhu ngilesbian. Endlini bangaboni, yabo. But abo sister bami nabo brother bami they knew ukuthi I'm a lesbian, but my mom and my dad didn't know. So 2016 they found out ukuthi hey, I'm dating and manje sengixabanisa abantwana babantu. So my dad wangishaya because like wathi wrong lento leyo. So wangishaya and then they said to me I should like come out straight ngibe intombazane because bona bangazi ngiyintombazane. Then ngachintsha ke. So in my mind I had this thing yokuthi amantombazane they go out partying yabo bayophuza like kuba amabhedo nje, you understand. Ayike ngaba leyo girl leyo ke benginabangani
Asibuye kahle. If maybe your dad didn't beat you up for being lesbian, were you still gonna continue?
Yeah. Yeah. I feel like after ukuphuma kuba lesbian and after kwenzakale something kimi ngasisola kakhulu ukuthi like bekufanele ngizimele ukuthi I'm a lesbian yabo. But at some point I felt like I didn't understand this thing ye lesbian ukuthi nje bengithanda intombazane yabo. And then aqala ke ngaba leyo girl leyo ke singaphuza. Okay, kudala ngiphuza but bese kuwes ke bese ngiphumile endukwini yokushaya ukuthi ngibe lesbian. Ngaphuza and then 2017 I was doing my grade 11. Mina nabangani bami sesijwayeleke ukuphuza siyaphuma. This other time it was 2017 kuzoba pens down end of September. Ngi-30 zaka September kuzoba pens down. So my mom like me abatshela indlela ukuthi I want to go out nabangani bami pens down, and then they refused. And which is they never refused endlini mengithi ngiyaphuma. But at that time they refused. But ke ngigele neplan ngizobona ngiphuma kanjani. Ngabeka impahla zami ngaphandle. Ne? Then I told my friend ukuthi endlini they refused but mina ngiyahamba siyahambani guys. So there was this cousin of mine beka vakashile. He's a guy ne beka khona. So I told that cousin ukuthi wena uzophuma kuqala mina ngizolandela wena move and then we go sisonke. So I had 3 friends. One sihlala section A naye, which is I'm not going to say her name because ungena kakhulu. And then I have the 2 Ukensan Makubela and then Queen Makubela. They're from same area but Gugu Tenyan. So besohamba by 4, besamba by 5 with my brother, yabo, with my cousin. Okay. Late I gelita ngisayolahla mina ngibatshela endlini ukuthi I know I'm going out ngisayolahla. I was washing dishes and then I'm going outside lahla. Then endlini they were like okay ngaphuma ne dress yami like was too short, so akekho umuntu ongacabanga ukuthi ngingabaleka ne dress, but ingqondini yami ngiyazi ukuthi ngizofaka ijini ngikatele ne dress ngifaka ijezi ngaphezulu ngiphuma ngifaka ama slippers, then ke ngaphuma ngagqoka sahamba sabaleka.
What time was it?
It was 8.
Okay.
Mengizophuma endlini. It was 8. Sahamba we walk ne cousin yami siya and with a section A friend. Ne? Saya kuyolanda laba abanye section I abakhentsana. Then when you arrive there sabathola besinganamali. Siyabe sihlezi sinemali yotshwala but that day besinganamali bonisa ukuthi nje lelo suku lelo belu wrong. Besinganamali yotshwala but sinayo leyo malinyana. We went to buy 2 bottles if not 3 the wine bottles. Sahamba saya street bashing. Sifike street bashing. Kube mnandi siphuza. Angiboni nani ukuthi le wine yapi because we used to sithenga utshwala obu yabo 18 sazi ukuthi siyadakwa. Hey 12 I started ke abangani bami bathi ngaqala ngakhala ngumuntu o spiritual ke, so bangisa ngaphandle lapha kunganamsindo khona, and then I was like I want to go home, but ke bona they thought ukuthi igirl idakiwe, they're not gonna allow it. Yabo bathi hayi uzoba right bangiphuzisa amanzi nami ngiphuza amanzi ngibe right sibuyele futhi sojive. And do you know ukuthi eGrovini kunjani, there's only that one guy ozofuna nje nizobonana wena naye. So there was this guy, I'm not going to say the name again because naye in kakhulu. So this guy sibhekene I started like sipelana amehlo and then started like okay sisiyabulisana hi unjani yabo sisaxoxa sekumnandi siyakhisana.
Hayi too fast nitsipelana amehlo kanjani? Sitshele.
Like obvious lento ukuthi hi lento yokutsipelana amehlo yabo sichazeni like kahle ne, then bangibiza sazohlala nabo nabangani bakhe. Yeah, sahlala ke kwaba lento ukuthi sesihlele sigroup siyanyamalala no guy mesinyamalala sincabuzana sinyamalala like ukuphuma like street bashing because bebavalile so but semakhoneni wethu sincabuzana ukuthi cousin yami ngaboni yabo ukuthi ngibusy and then silokho sibhizi ke lapho umfirifiri obviously sohlangana nabantwana basekhaya hayi unjani yonke lento le 4 o'clock or past 4
in the morning
came. Yeah,
okay,
this girl came. I'm not gonna say the name now. Afike ayekulo guy lo engiminaye athi kimi ngicela ningikhaphe ngilanda isikhiya from bese section B uyosilanda section C, so ngicela ningikhaphe ngilanda isikhiya. So the guy angibuza ukuthi right singahamba and I'm like yeah we can go. Okay fine. Ngihambe ngiyotshela abangani bami ukuthi guys I'm going with this girl and this guy. So land this key and then I'll be back. And then the section A friend didn't know the girl from Los Landil. So she was like, okay, you can go. I know the girl. Okay, it's fine. So at Palm Springs, Lapa section C, there's an open space. Muzongenya section C. Motkata Kluli Bridge. Miss Sondlu like open space les kuzabafana by 5. Yeah. So these guys when they came, basindlulile. Then they greet the girl, bambiza ngigama. Hey usbanban, hello. The girl responded, hi sbanban unjani? Hi niyaphi? Nibuyaphi yabo? Hi but hi sibuya siyenza umsebenzi yabo. Oh okay sharp. Bahambi kancane. They 10. Bajika then bakhipha amaphanga okap yabo then labantu engihamba nabo babaleka mina couldn't run because ngifaka ama slippers angikhona ngigijima isikhathi eside because ngifaka ama slippers ngihamba that time ngama like still bangrab then the others bebagijimisa laba abanye then mara bazange babathola they came bonke game bangishaya ke baqala bangishaya ke ngimpama they started asking me ukuthi ngiphetheni yabo yonke into le that time I was using Samsung lencane le kade igena nje enye imhlophe enye grey so I was using that Samsung eyambe grey so with that Samsung beyiphila ngecharger mengeke charging ayisebenzi mise charging izosebenza so bathola leyo Samsung leyo and they were happy because besase styling at that time start kissing me ke labafana lawo cha wena mamela wena siyakuthatha sihamba nawe
they start kissing you
yeah like kissing me on the cheek yabo like nasemlomeni
like they forcefully doing that
yeah
okay
yeah and I'm like yo nkosi yami then they said no the older one said no we should take the girl sihambe naye and do the things and then sizambona ukuthi simlahlela kuphi mase sicedile ngayo Now I said, let's go. Ngicale refuse kancane. Yo bangishaye futhi I'm like okay no let's go. And leleni yo just as like I prayed. Bengumntana ongalithandi isonto mina but at that time uNkulunkulu bese ngimazi because bekusadume this thing yama wrong 10 eval. Sadume lento Orange Farm sadume labafana bama wrong 10.
Yini lawo ama gang
wrong 7 they know ukuthi bayakapa bayabulala yabo so bona they are wrong 7 laba kade bangibambile bazibiza ngama wrong 7 because they introduced themselves ukuthi yeah clever yeah thina singabo ama wrong 7 yabo in mina ngubani they introduced themselves amagama bonke
are they using their real names or
their
maybe?
real name
wow
like lo munye Siphiwe mina ngosiphiwe yabo
is that the real name
yeah the real name
okay
the reason why I'm ngikhuluma ngoSiphiwe because uSiphiwe right now usangihlupha namanje sasekhona so sahamba yo ngathandaza like bengithandazela ukuthi okay bangayenza into abafuna ukuyenza but bangangibulali yabo yes the bengithandaza ngakhona section C there's a church here ZCC lapho esondlo lakhona the church ZCC I remember ngifuna bazisi bangixolele I remember ngithi how now lkhanyane mfethu yangiyeka ngihambi nabantu like at some point I was scared and bengibathusa nabafana bakhona and I said to them mina umkhulu wami uyinyanga whatever enzoyenza make sure ukuthi angishi evidence because nizonyamalala they didn't care. Bayangicabuza, bayangishaya. We went to this endlini enye nje sekugcineni emuva kwayo ihlathi. Arrived there. Yeah. Mangifika lapho bekune saka le iwisa lapho phansi. They said ngikhulule lelo saka lelo. Ngakhulula bengigcoka ijacket, ngakhulula ijacket, ngakhulula jean, ngakhulula iphint, ngakhulula night dress. Ngalala lapho. Baqala bangifingara, the older one, young fingara, mdala. That time I was 17. Ngifingara. But I could tell you ukuthi at that time,
yeah,
I couldn't even like bengiyezwa ukuthi like lo muntu ungenzani. Bekungana pain. Like bengathi bese ngizinikele, yabo. What don't plastic le albany brown. So ngathi that plastic beyishota bekusela into ezincane imvuthu nje encane. So beyibophiwe la phambili. Wathatha le plastic lelo wakuphulula wafaka lelo plastic lelo. Waqala ke wangiripa the first one. With that plastic end. Nakhona ngifuna ukutshela iqiniso, angizange ngizwe ubuhlungu at that time. Angizange ngizwe ubuhlungu by that time angiripa. Then kuze the second one, the very same plastic, like bayaphisana ngale plastic lelo. Nayi. I answered the very same thing. So we buy 5, right? So the first one, at that time, began about 25. The second one, began about 18, board wise. The third one began about 14. And then, kona umtana on 10. Kona umtana on like, kona na 10 on 11. Bangani lababany, yabo. But mina ngiripa abantu abayi 3. So the third one akazange asebenzise the plastic. And the reason why ngithi the third one was young, like we anabuma 14. Akazange penetrate. Maritik yakhe biphezu kwami and bikafila ngathi penetrate. So bayenza, so makangena lo the second one, lo mdala uyobopha insango or babopha in, then balola lama phanga wabo, yabo. Then mekuzongena the last one, I remember the last one said to me, "Mengiceda la usukumbaleki." And if kwenzeka sihlangana, wazi ukuthi mina igama lami ngubani ba, and I'm not gonna refuse anything. Uphezu kwami lo muntu lo and umncane loyo. Okay. Waqeda naye makaqeda shoot beka distractor lawaya. But ingqondo yami was so blank at that time. Ngadonsa ipaint icala. Instead of like ngisukumi ngibaleki. Donsa ipaint, donsa ibhroko, ngadonsa ijacket. By the time ngizogqoka icathulo, they noticed ukuthi ngiyaqoka. Then they started shouting, "Hey, lo muntu uyabaleka, lo muntu uyabaleka." Ngabaleka ingqondo yakho. Ngabaleka yabo islippers azange siphume nesi1. But ngabaleka that time labantu mabangijimisa bakhalisa amaphanga emabondweni ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi they are just here. Then ngancedwa enye imoto ya flash nje ama light, then they babaleka nabo babuyile emuva. By the time sengizovela eskonterini bekuze crew yabantu, which is shukuthi that guy makabaleka ulande abantu ukuthi hey bathathe umuntu la. So kweze crew yabantu. That time bayenza yonke into le ngikhale mase ngibona abantu. Ingqondo ibuye mase ngibona abantu ukuthi hawu. Hey bani. Okay, sahamba ke yimi nabangani bami sisiyakhala siyaduduzana sithukile phela manje ngiphume nasendlini. And I think baqede bese kushaba uma 5:30 bese kukhanya, it was September bese kukhanya. So safika sithola umama yachanyela ibala ngaphandle. Mama ngiyovuka ekseni yashanyela. But ngikhapha ikhulu at this time. Mengizongena mama uthi ke wena ubuyaphi yabo like yathithana ayikho away. Then nangangena ngaya straight e-toilet. Ngabuzwa ngomama msakakhala. Shuthi bamchaziselile ukuthi umntana urapiwe. Oh, before that ngahlangana nabanye abobhuti baseKasilam, uLouis noZimele. Bebabuye bomnandini nawo, but ke babona icrew and bayabona ngikhona. They asked me kwenzakaleni babatshela ukuthi hayi umntana urapiwe and yonke lento leyo. Then bangithatha ke yibo abachazisela umama makhala and then my stepdad wakokota so bebatsho ukuthi mhlambe ngiyazibulala e-toilet. But bengazibulali bengisa process like bengisaba ukuthi ngidojile endlini. Cabanga ukuphuma endlini ubuye necala. Yeah. So ngaphuma bathi ngiphumele ngaphandle ngiyo explainela umama explainela. Bafonela amaphoyisa sahamba. So manje ngizohamba the friend, section A friend. Then sahamba again. Went to Mafatsane police station. When we arrived there, sahlala before bazongivulela the-case. Yeah, police station better. Then they said, okay, basibuza ukuthi yasizeleni ngathi bathi rape case, but oh okay, sangena ngaphakathi mesingena. I still remember. Ngathola abanye abosisi abayi-2 bamaphoyisa. Bangibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngabatshela and then they started laughing. Yabo. Uyaphapha, uyaphi? Like hey. Okay. Bathaya yikho lento sitshela yona namanga like bebaphikisana nje nami. Mama futhi usabakhumbula abantu bakhona mina ngisabakhumbula. But mongababeka phambi kwami ngasho bebamhlopha bosisi bakhona amaphoyisa boy2. They called a detective Mowal, which is specialized in rape eVali. So they called him ukuthi eze azo attend the case yami. Wakusakhuluma efonini makafika wathi ngichazisela istory ngichazisela. But because of bekhona labo sisi lapho. But hayi lo mntana yikho into ayikhulumayo. Yo, at that time ngikhathele ngixoxile like ngikhathele akuna energy. Angina like angakhala ngayenza nix angaka accept ukuthi kwenzakala into ekanje. Wathi kimi, are you sure ukuthi kwenzakala into ekanje? Ngathi ngisho. Athi can you take me there kwenzakala lento leyo? Ngathi yeah. What I don't want to waste izinto ze-state for wena. So we're gonna go to a Vereeniging Solanda angazolanda ini and then start a forensic siye lapho kwenzeke khona. Siye Vereeniging mesiqeda sibuye ne forensic siye lapho kwenzeke lento leyo. When you arrive there ngiyamtshela ngithi kwenzeke la. Athi ayakubonakala ngathi uripelula. Esikayini exposed kanje. I'm like no, uripelula. Athi le forensic uthi boleli kuleli saka ngisho ngithi athi I'm gonna use this because izoveza ibuni zakho yabo. Ayithathe. Then ngimtshela ukuthi basebenzise iplastic and nale plastic la khona. Forensic ilithathe. The detective still usathi unamanga. Ayikho lento leyo yabona mhlambe bodakiwe in. So when the forensic made vula iplastic lithola ama sperms lapho. Then the detective uthi normally man lo mntana urapiwe kamampela inama sperms le plastic. Athi detective walifa imvuli inile.
Uyagula lo muntu lo. Hayi labantu
yazi ku dry lapho. I don't want ku dry but uzothi imvuli inile. Yathi le forensic hayibo ayona ngivuli yabona ku dry la.
Ngathi akafuni ukukusiza so.
You understand? Okay, okay, because singiyabona ukuthi okay there's a evidence ukuthi urapiwe. We're going to take you to a Kopanong hospital. Okay, fine. Forensic hathi iyenzohamba ne-evidence. Hamba ne-evidence. Mind you, lo muntu uthi I so wish I would mosh izinto ze-state. But at some point we drive saya kwakhe, ne? Mesifika kwakhe salayisha umfazi wakhe unabantwana bamantombazane lo detective engikhuluma ngayo. salayisha abantwana bamantombazane bakhe bekazobadropha somewhere ngayo le transport le estate sabalayisha sahamba nabo. Okay, we went to Kopanong Hospital. Ngiyakhumbula i-gynecologist le being-assessor bokumlungu umuntu wesilisa bathatha iphenti lami then yang-assessa yang-checker for i-HIV, yang-checker for i-pregnancy, yangipha ama-pills ukuthi if you feel ngathi ungahlanza or nani phuza amapilisi, like bangipha amapilisi amaningi. They took me for i-counselling again. By the time bangisa u-counselling, friend section A wasikala nomwali. Angazi ukuthi utheni, angeke size statement sakhe na today, but yayenza ukuthi udetective angitshela ukuthi your friend ukhuluma into different kunawe. Uthi wena uphume ne-boyfriend yakho ngo-12 wabuya sokhala. Yo, ngaphelelwa amandla yazi, like at that time futhi besiku-session yento ye-counselling. Nalo sisilo i-counselling angimzwanga nokuthi bekathini, bekangichazela ini. After that thing, detective ngitshele like ngivele ngabona ukuthi la there's no way ukuthi case yami izothathwa ekhanda if the friend section A uyisho kwamampela lento le. Yo, okay, sibuye atshela umama ukuthi hayi itori ziningi but uzohamba ekhaba Queen ayekhaba Khensani ayobabuza itori zabo ama-side wabo and then ne-cousin yami ngingamtsheli nix ngakhulumi nix ne-cousin yami. I'm like okay fine. Sibuye ekhaya. I know ezinye izinto engizikhuluma namhlanje like kuzoba khona ukukwata kwefamily nani. I can remember misibuye ekhaya indaba yami beseyaziwa yonke Palm Springs and not in a good way. I mean like not in a good way, like it was that thing yokuthi ulayekile. Sithi angayilapho ulayekile, understand? Like bengathi baya rejoice like ukuthi yeah waze wa rape lo muntu lo. Kwafika abantu bengisonta kwelinye isonto, lesonto ngekhaba Khensani bafika. Stepdad sami wabaxosha because ngafika stepdad sami sihleli couple friends section A. Bephuzela lapho. Yeah, kumanje yabona njengoba rapiwe like akhuluma the way akhuluma ngakhona. Right, understand? So hey mabayeza abantu besonto wakhuluma the way yini kanti sishonelwe yabo yonke lento leyo. But abantu besonto bebazobuza ukuthi nginjani. Okay. Bahambe. Manje sengiphila kule closet whereby mengishop abantu umama seshop uzongitshela ukuthi mina umntana mdala ngimkhudala abantwana ngibakhuza ngawe. Like akunamuntu othi mfethu sizwile ukuthi urape. Okay, ukhona omunye umama sibiza ngoscheme uMankosi. Loyo mama loyo even today ngicabanga ukuthi nanoma ngibheka usacabanga lento leyo. Loyo mama bekangiduduza each and every day. Section A umuntu engithi umzalo ke wamanami kubo makhelwane. Every day yabo asho scheme njani ithi hayi ngishap hayi scheme kuzoba right man icase ngimtshela but laba abanye bese beze bakukhuza abantwana babo ukuthi bangasasondela phambi kwami. Ngahlala ke ngasihlala endlini udetective wayothatha i-statement zalaba abanye wabuya wathi hayi istory salaba abanye nesakho siyafana esikamngani wakho nje section A ezingafani itori. But ke okay ishuthi ke manje sesizohamba case mind you igolo sesizovula. Sengisaba.
Sorry, I just wanted to ask you, why do you think your friend gave a different statement compared to you and the other people that were also involved?
I don't know. As even today, I think that detective nebikasho nje kuphela kunento ethi kimi hayi man umngane wami beyangekasho into ubonile ukuthi ngihambe nobani. You understand, and you confirm ukuthi ngihambe nobani. Udetective loyo bekamanasho because of bekafuna ngiswitch story sami or something, but bekadlala ngengqondo yami kahle kahle lo detective loyo. But if umngani wami uyishilo lento leyo angazi ngingamyenzani ukuthi angaze akhulume istory esinjalo.
Because ngiyacabanga ukuthi remember the time when you guys were walking on this road and you bump into the guys, 5 of them, right? And I'm not sure if it's the same friend from Section C who said, it's Banban, right? It's
No,
Banban.
it's not the same
It's
friend.
a different one.
The friend, yes, Section A, who was that girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why would this one give a different statement? Yini kanti?
And mamela ne yabo mososho kanjalo. Another thing, the detective bekufanele angisho ngiyasichaza isitori sami ukuthi we went nomuntu okanje and this friend uyamazi. Wayangabuzanga le friend yami ukuthi lo muntu uyamazi okay siyakhabo le ntombazane. Le ntombazane isho ukuthi abobani laba abasibulisile because le ntombazane yabazi. But akazange ayenze lento le. Le part yokuthi ngithi bengihamba nale ntombazane detective bengayithathele ekhanda. The only thing udetective beke stick kuyi isitori salo mngani wami lo wasa Section A. Ukuthi mina I went out ne boyfriend and then I came back crying.
I don't understand why the detective decided to focus kule story lezi from your friend, because of your friend is not the victim, you are the victim.
Yeah. And at that time detective bekasebenza namanye ama detective, I think they were doing practical law ama detective. And you could even see those guys ukuthi hey detective law like bebangizolisona man ukuthi this case man ayeke yendawo. But ikolo zavulwa. Mama went to esikoleni yabachazisela ukuthi kuvela inkinga ekanje nakanje nakanje. Esikoleni ke ba understand. Ama classmate wami like be understand yabo bebangipha that thing. Esikoleni sami like they had that thing until ngithola ukuthi one of the last guy bekangrip ufunda esikoleni sami.
Sure.
And I told my physics teacher, Mr. Mliff, ngamtshela ukuthi the guy ngibonile umfana wangrip. Why escalate indaba watshela utshela principal wathi no, we're gonna call amaphoyisa ukuthi eze. So now here's the thing, detective wasipha elinye iphepha which is on the case number nama number phone elokuthi mekungenzeka nimbone lo muntu or nibone one of them call me yabo mfoneleni ningitshele ngizobabamba labo bantu labo. Okay, okay, before the scene le yento yasesikolweni kwafika ama CID I2 BY2 yamaveni ngiyakhumbula BY3 yamaveni ama CID I3 hamba ngamaveni amhlophe lawo. But sibona icase yakho and sifuna participate kuyo and we are aware ukuthi some of the people you know them. So bekunama hint yokuthi labantu laba bayazana nobani yabo. So mina I know those people abathi labantu bayazana nobani. So we went to a first guy bambiza uTebo wase Section C. Mesifika lapho samana nama CID. Yazi ke ama CID angeke afike ngendlela right. Azofika sawashaya. Then they grab uTebo, uyaripa wena. Inini Tebo ayeximi ngale kolbisi ukuthi ubani yabo. Bamthatha went to the second guy katangripa. Usise the second guy, I not the first one. Mesifika kubo asimtholanga but sathola umalume wakhe ufana naye this guy because I remember ngakhomba umalume wakhe ngathi uyelo. Lo malume wathi mina then nganotice after to know lo mdala man. Umuntu wangripa but bayafana. Ama CID afunisha lo malume bathi upho lo muntu lo wathi haya akekho yeso wethu in ubalekile what so forth. Okay, but we are asikhombisa number 3. Masiya ku number 3 afone lo ama CID or bathusile batshela ukuthi leyo case in bavele bathi hey icase yakhe enzima again. Sicela ukubuyisela ekhaya sinikeze umnikazi adile nayo. So basibuyisela ekhaya naye lo Tebo wakhona. So lesikhathi bafona esikolweni uprincipal wathatha la number phone lawa udetective asiphe wona. Yaringa konje Orange Farm Clinic. sabuza hawu Mafatane police station, no, it's Orange Farm Clinic. How? Okay. But ke principal wafuna ama-number phone wakhona bamupha wabafonela yes even sayolanda umfana and noTebu. So silanda that lo number 3 noTebu. Tebu shoot kumele ayikhuluma statement ukuthi number 2 bani number 1 bani. Sahamba. Sathi mesifika samlinda udetective sihleli nabo labafana ukuthi babafake eselini noma babayenzeni sihleli nabo la nje samlinda into engange safike lapho ngaboma ekseni ngabo 10 detective wafika ngo3 makafika akangenanga naphakathi police station umi ngaphandle nje police station uthi yini inkinga yakho akunamuntu engizombopha mina la uyiphoyisa wena ngingibophe umuntu angingibuze umuntu thina ngisho sithathe ama DNA what in so I'm not going to do anything with these people. I will see police. And again ubaba khona washo ukuthi wena my stepdad. So icase yakho nje wena ihlangahlangina angikhona ukuthola into straight ngapha abangani bakho ngapha ubabakho uyasho ukuthi wena nama athi into engizoyenza jikani nabo labantu la.
Sure.
Kanjani manje no jikani nabo. Okay, washiya khona lapho wahamba Mafatane bathi basi-organize transport eyashiya kude kumele labantwana babantu sibathengele ukudla with the guy owangirape kumele sibathengele ukudla umama mnenhliziyo enhle too much umngane wami uKhensani unenhliziyo enhle too much bekuyibo futhi abaphethe imali sibathengele ukudla we walk nabo labantu ebusuku because into even amaphoyisa ishiye endaweni ekude kabi we walk nabo labantu sisiyondlula emathuneni samba nabo ebusuku bona labafana labo.
Sure.
Sibuyela nabo emuva because detective uthi sibuyele nabo emuva and besisitshela ukuthi futhi maybe mhlambe singagibela taxi but bathi hayi khulekani sonifunela iveni so sithatha leyo mali yama taxi sathenga amakota for those guys nathi.
So nithengela ama rapist amakota.
Asine choice. Angisho uthi udetective enizosifunela abantu mina ngisho kangakanani ukuthi labo bantu babangirapini.
Hayibo.
So
hayi khona.
Sabathengela. That time ngabona lapho ukuthi case amayiki indawo. Like I've rather like ngiyeke ngizipholele like hlukane nalento le yonke. So from that thing ngatshela mama ukuthi it's either like ekhaya sizophola because bengekho mnandi endlini like bese sisaba nokuvula into efake irape ngaphakathi mabayivula wonke umuntu uzongibheka yabo like bengasekho mnandi nje endlini like bengasekho mnandi ngathi kushoniwe. And then umuntu wanginceda umama kaKhensani wangibiza wathi uyayazi le situation engikuyo so uzokhona ukunceda. Mom was too weak ukuthi anganceda. Can I tell you ukuthi mama mi bekathi mangibheka khale yena at that time ngifuna ubaxoxele indlela ukuthi what happened and ngifuna ubaxoxela ngibe strong like ingakhali ingayenzi nix but bekhala bona endlini ngibaxoxela abo sisi bakhala. So mama kaKhensani wangibiza ngayohlala lapho for 5 days sayenza ama activities but at that time ngiyasola ukuthi why benga participate kakhulu ma activities bengifuna ukuhlala ngi1 but lama activity bengicabanga ukuthi azonceda if beng participate at that time. So ngabuyela ekhaya ngabuyela esikoleni ngenza grade 11 bangitshela esikoleni ukuthi no you can just stay uhlala ekhaya uzobe right uzophinda grade 11 abatshela endlinithi usebenze kanzima ukuthi ngifika grade 11 ukuthi ngizomphinda futhi if ngizofaila ngizobe ngifailile if ngizophasa ngizophasa and lucky enough ngaphasa ngaya grade 12. Now these guys basasekhona the case angazi ukuthi phellephi abafana ukuthi if I can go to the mall right now mingathatha mse mall I can show you ukuthi nangu1 nangu munye because there's pure guy uke wathi kimi, I'm asking myself ukuthi so njani manje.
Sure, yo.
Ngathi athi ngiyazibuza ukuthi usasemnandi njenga that time.
How did he ask you? Did you bump into him at the mall?
Yeah. Bengasise mall bekase Kaslam Street. So bekamile wangicela ikota. So bengihamba nomama. Mangicela ikota, umama wareact first because ngimtshela ukuthi this guy nanguguy wangirapa. So mangicela ikota umama bekafuna ukula ngimtshela ukuthi no miyeke. So missing zohamba wathi kimi, yazi mara mabhebeza ngiyazibuza ukuthi like so njani manje. I was so cool, and it was 2021 at that time. Being varsity. So cool manje ngiyazibuza ukuthi ngisho so mnandi wes. I respond that nami ngiyahalela ukuthi uzozwa manje ukuthi nginjani. Manje ngi on fire. Ingqondo yami beyithi if angathi ngifed number tsa how let's meet, let's do something. Bengizombulala. Like this thing damage to that extent ukuthi mina can tell you ukuthi impilo yasejele injani because ngifunde kakhulu, because ngizifunela i-revenge kulabafana laba. Ngithi ukuthi only just one day ngizozenzela i-revenge kubo. Ngiphile no, even namanje mingathiwa uthi sibeke itule esayidini silwe, I bet awuphuma ezandleni zami ngalimalanga. Ngishayela nakusasa, like ngishayela nanokuthi ngibuya yonke into ukuthi at that time I couldn't fight for myself, and manje ngizozilwela. My mom used to call me uFandam. When uFandam, and the case mengenelini mama sekayazi ukuthi I wonder wenze insimbi. Ubhuti wami umdala akathanda ukulwa, akathanda impi. Endlini yimi nje kuphela wama case ukushaya abantu. Abantwana bakithi abafana, ngiwantombazana kithi, abafana bakithi abathanda impi. I'm the only girl othi manje kuyaliwa. And not just because of ngiyathanda or something. Ngingaphila in a space whereby mingena ku relationship I feel like I'm not enough for umfana. Angikhona ukuphendula imibuzo yokuthi uluze nini virginity yakho. Body count. Do I have to count those people now? Plus 3 le enye. And as into ezisubhlungu ne, at some point angizange ngicabanga ukuthi izobuya yonke lento le, because after ngayenza matric then ngahlala nje phela unyaka oyi1 ekhaya, ngaye varsity ngayifunda ePort Elizabeth. Varsity bengacabanga ukuthi ngabuye rape, like bengacabanga, like bengiziphile impilo yami. Just when I get back ekhaya ngihlangana nalabantu la kuba kanjalo. Nanoma yabona noma ngahamba nawo the loss pure because uyingihlezi ngihlangana naye, sengiyazi ukuthi usebenza kuyiphi, manje washa amateki, ngiyazi ukuthi usebenza kuphi nendawo. Mengivela ngathi nangu umuntu ongirapini, umbona ngama actions, uzotshela lo phambi kwakho ukuthi hayi le ntombazane sayiripa, or like uyenza something lo muntu loyo, wenza something. And the case was so simple, man. They had everything. Bebana spam. They had abantu abangabadlinka to those people, but what detective lawyer wakhetha ukuyenza ibe nzima. And ingizwe ubuhlungu kakhulu even now, because nanoma ubani makafila, mina ke I'm one of the person who's strong. I know myself, I'm strong. I've never thought of like suicide. I've never. Ngiyasaba ukufa ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Angikaze ngacabanga ngesuicide. And angicabanga ukuthi ngicabanga ngesuicide. Manje ngicabanga ukuthi ngibabulala kunokuthi kufe mina. But manje it's hard. Yabo ngizoze ngibhalele la like ngibonile ukuthi that thing in Balela, it was a day or 2 days before hlangane nayo Siphiwe loyo wakhona wayenza lezo itayila zakhona and nasendlini into edinayo ne about this case I feel like abasakholwa ukuthi ngarape noma kwenzakalani everyone makafuna ungihetha ukutshela ukuthi njengokurape kwakho yabo amagama avela ngerape wonke umuntu nje makafila ngathi like ufuna ukungihetha uzongena ngerape so imoshe kakhulu lento la
I am so angry. Ngikwatile. Yasi uSiphiwe messed up your life, Joe. And I don't know how he feels when he would see this video looking at you the way you are right now. I am so angry. I'm pissed off. The fact that you didn't even get justice, you probably had so much faith in the police and you thought, Uti, you know what, they're gonna help me, and yet they didn't help you. Ungathi abafundi, ungathi detective, it's the brother, this rapist. Ungathi they belong to the same family and they protecting one another. I don't wanna swear, man.
Ngikhalela ukumbona ngiyambona detective akhona egarage
Yeah.
ngitshela umntana kithi uthi nangilo detective lo so nje angikhaleli like ukumbona lo detective like okay noma ngambona like the only thing nje kuphela ukuthi angitshela ukuthi case ami uyenzeni like what happened in the case because they never even came back. Remember last week I went to a counseling Ramkonopi clinic. And then Losis lawyer, a social worker, give me, it takes 5 years ukuthi ama DNA like abuye kule evidence obapeyon. So I think like finally after that 5 years mhlambe at least babuye basho ukuthi sathola 1, sathola 2, sathola 3. But ayekho one wabo wabuye. Ngabapha ibox le phone because bafuna ne box le phone bazokhona trace yonke lento le phone yami. But nje ayikho into engaphananga ayikho into bengayenzi amaphoyisa bebathi ngiyenze bengiyenza yonke into ayikho into abangayiphetha and if I knew better as kunomunye ugele ngijwayele ukuhlala naye athi yo kune omunye ugele ke wa rape umama wakhe wafile wathatha ipem zalabafana wathatha iphini lakhe wazisa eMozambique wayosebenza. And now these guys bahlezi bane drop banjanjani. If I knew, hey mina my friend bengizothatha lezo zinto lezo because I had iplastic. Ngeke ngahlala iminyaka ngayedli Albany Brown.
Sure.
Like bengithi bengibona Albany Brown cabanga ukuthi this thing was used like a condom game and beyinebhola phambili so lo muntu mazo penetrate it's either le bhola manje uzohamba eside mele libe forceful lingene nalo lelo bhola lelo mele uzophuma lizodonswa plastic because plastic liyasala lizodonswa likhishwe liphinde futhi kanjalo like nalo munye makazofaka ayenze kanjalo and they could even say to me Mona like mele ngisikhalise mele yenze ngathi I'm enjoying bancabuza. And which is now yabuya yonke into le ecela ngibingana ndaba manje ngiyakhula ngima relationship ngiyakhula ngena ku relationship whereby nomuntu amazibuza ukuthi why are you acting like this these days. It's because of ngifila tired yabo right now yasondela date every time every year mikusondela date saka September ngenyanya nje October 1 angithandi and October ke birthday month yami but angithandi nje lelo suku lelo because bangenzela indaba. And into engizwe ubuhlungu angisingabona ugripho kwami like umphakathi awunazwela umphakathi like inkulumo zakhona baripha bikacabanga ukuthi sophela lapha mina and umuntu omdala ngimkhuza ngaye like it was that thing
nonsense.
I've never heard whereby abomama baseKasilam bathi bayeza bazokhuluma nami and they told me ukuthi hayi no kuzolunga. Ngiya-understand ukuthi ngangiyenza iphutha at that time ukuthi like ngihambe without imvume yabazali, but mase yenza ke into bekufanele bazolana nami ukuthi hayi siyaxolisa ukuthi kuvele into kanje, you got to be strong but not bengihleba ngapha nangapha, bengithi ngivuka nje kunendaba enje and lento le nayo mama yamdamage kakhulu. Kunabantu mama wabay abanye ababulisa because yababulisa but deep down yazi ukuthi icase yami bayiphethe kanjani.
Ngiyaxolisa ne.
It's fine. Yazi ngayitshela ukuthi ekugcineni kuzomela ngibe strong. Ngizoba umama one day. Ngizoba unkosikazi womuntu and ngusisi wabanye abantwana. So I need to be strong. Angikwazi ukuthi just only one thing engamosha impilo yami as much as ngakhona ukuthi ngithi angikhona ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngifuna ukuqeda isikole. That shows ukuthi like this thing ngiyayinqoba namanje. Just that the only thing that I need is justice nje kuphela for this guy ungiharasayo because I feel like harassment. Mangibona nje u-actor somewhere like akunakuthi uzothi awuthi ngize kuye khulume naye mhlambi xolise no. Bona kumnandi lapha bakhona basaphila baphila kamnandi. Mina ubhuti wami struggle with this rape kabuhlungu. Ubhuti wami ngakhona like bese ngilanda esikolweni every day angibuyisa angakhona accept ukuthi yabona manje mengajola ubhuti wami ayimphathi kahle indaba ukuthi like ngiyajola like uzibuza kaningi ukuthi are you okay, uzongibuza kaningi ukuthi are you okay. He ended up being open nangezinto ze-sex kimi ukuthi no umfana mayenza kanje yabo akayi ukuthi ukwenza kanje like akana choice because uphilile indaba yami rape and uzamile abo na step brother sami like bazamile akekho umuntu ongazamanga ukuthi icase yami ihambe iye phambili but because of kunomuntu omthetho involved ngaphakathi ayikho into besoyenza. But the guy I'm dating right now, take him, let's say labantu laba, the time back rape, but they were young. Bebangi baba bambi kahle. Yabo but now in Taiwan bazobabamba and bazogweba into serious if only you wanna reopen that case. I've never angazi ngivale lo icala leni. Ngifuna nje kuphela justice. Ngifuna kulandwe le ntombazane. Ngifuna kulande umngane wami section A. Section A akhiphe le ntombazane leya ya section B bese ikhapha yesikhi. Le ntombazane izokwazi ukuthi ikhiphe labafana labo ababonke ukuthi hayi bekubani bani. If mina bathi mengibabona hayi mhlambi bodakiwa kusilabo bakhombayo. Le ntombazane le yena ke ungakhona ikhipha labantu la. Then the DNA nalabafana labo izoconfirm ukuthi okay laba nalaba now ama DNA yabo. Because remember the last one angisho azange asebenzise condom but bikala in between emathangeni nami and mengigcoke igcineni ipaint and lelo paint balithatha gynecologist i-forensic ayithatha. So yonke into banayo just that detective beyanganaso isikhathi for icase yami. Into engizosubhlungu nabantwana bamantombazana which is akayicabanga into le ukuthi if beyenzeka umntanami akunamntwana ongayenza mistake. Ukuphuma nje kuphela yabo till today bazotshela lapha endaweni yami angeke bangithola emjayiveni bangithola ngaso sikhathi nakhona mingihambe nabantu sengiyasaba like ngike ngahlala isikhathi eside ngisaba nokuyojiva because nginalini mentality yokuthi ngizoripa futhi ngizoripa ngafisa irip futhi ngasikhathi ngisevarsity that one bengasiripi irip engibulele kakhulu irip ya 2017 leyo sevarsity bengidrunk kakhulu because they use my hygiene these people bashiya esigangeni nomnganami so leyo but this one ngibona ukuthi okay these people they are doing this thing nama complication manje la nomuntu angikhona ukulasta like sinini nginenkinga yesibeletho you understand and which is noma ngiye clinic ngibatshela ukuthi ngiyayenza la into kanje yo futhi clinic angazi ke bafunani laba abantu abasebenza eclinic yase Palm Springs I don't know kaningi ngabi ngibachazisela inkinga yami ayikhona uyibona uke wathana sizoorganizela in ngiphile under a depression to that extent ukuthi kunalapho ngike ngacela eclinic ukuthi bangise mhlambe esibhedlela samahlanje because ngathi sengiyahlanya manje like ngathi hey ngifila ngathi iyayenzeka lento le but nje ngathi sengiyahlanya and then today ngisasolutho hayi ngastop ukuba lesbian ngoba bengi lesbian bengizozilalela endlini ngisho ngisithembi sami esilele even today like nayi lento le ukuthi ukubi endlini abazange bangishaye ngaqhubeka ngabe le ya tomboy ngabe that day mina ngabe ngilele endlini because being involved around amantombazane esohamba siyophuza in bengizoyazi ukuthi hayi kuyalalwa this day bengike.
How are you feeling now?
I don't know. Yes, ngisam ngulo muntu mengiphakathi kwamanye amantombazana I'm asking myself ukuthi mina intombazane enjani. I remember there was this guy. Have you ever done threesome? Out of anger. Ngathi kuye usathi 3 ngibuya ku 4. Mina ngahendlela abantu abafana abayi3 ngiyi1. Empilweni ngeke ngayikhetha eyokuthi umuntu wesilisa makangishela ngiyajabula because ngale mentality ukuthi ayi angisabona kanje ngentombazana so meaning bese nginabantu besilisa ngijoyina nabo abaningi because mingishela la ngizoqoma ngishela la ngiqoma ngishela la ngiphinde ngiqoma yabo skis so right now I don't know feel kanjani. Sometimes I'm okay like sometimes nanto ukuthi no man sendlule into lethi ngidlulisa. Sometimes even nanto ukuthi hey girl this thing ayikandluli zama ukuyilwisa. Mama mbekafuna ama number phone ke ka scheme for you most wanted. Sangisikhona kwathola like sithi sobabhalela mhlambi naye bangasiphi solution bayiqalile phansi case because angifuni mama ngiyafuna case yami iqalile phansi noma ngathi wababagweba 1 year but at least bazobajikile ngaphakathi.
Ngiyaxolisa sisi wami yazi. I'm so sorry about what happened to you. Shame on the people that did that to you. Very much disappointed by the detective that was supposed to help you and then he didn't do that. What happened to you was wrong and you deserve justice. And those guys The most disgusting thing is that there was a 11-year-old and a 10-year-old. That is super disgusting. It means that those guys are actually being groomed to become criminals. And one of them, they were trying to penetrate, and they thought they were penetrating and they were not. And you could feel that. But there was older guys there that knew what they were doing.
Vulindlela futhi the first one. As the first one, lo noma ngathiwa khetha ukuthi bayenzeni ngamupha nesigwebo sontambo because into azenza kimi uye woze nalento yeplastic like
you know, if somebody would give you a gun, I don't know what you're gonna do with it.
ngithi nama-case amaningi kabi kabi ukuthi ngishaye umuntu mingathiwa nje ngishaye noma umuntu wesilisa noma umuntu wani I don't care ngiyashaya one way and angiluzi battle angiphumi ngingaluzanga like kuthiwa uluzile. There was this time ngilwa amanye amantombazane ngawuzwa bathi une-anger lo mntwana. They could see ukuthi the way bengilwa ngakhona because bengilwa nabantu abaningi kabi kabi ngiyi-one. Bekungena lo makangivimba ngiyashaya.
Sis, when we were living in a country whereby we can't trust the police and we mustn't expect the police to help us. And I understand that sometimes there's other communities somewhere they prefer going via mob justice. Whereby bayabashaya, bayababulala, bayabashisa and stuff like that. But one of the things that we need to work on is healing. When it comes to those guys, you reap what you sow. And their time is coming. Don't think that you would do something to a person and when you think you got away with it. Most of the criminals that I was told about, most of them, they died. Because they did something to somebody, then they continued and continued. They don't live long. So he's probably watching this, and I'm telling you today that something will repay him for what he has done, not only to you, but to other people.
Khona ngiyafuna justice yenzeke shame. Yeah. And the one thing that I need is to heal. Mistake yami abaleki counseling. Ngangifila ngathi like kuningi. Now like ngiyaba nespace ukuthi I want to talk to someone like ngichazele.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things engizenzayo due to this thing. But I cannot talk no mama because no mama angiyakhona ukulumela iqiniso engizomtshela lona. Dinga like ukukhuluma nomuntu uzo understand ukuthi mingithi one like kunalapho ngathi I just need some time away ekhaya noma bangangisa kwenye camp engayazi yakuphi lapho ngeke ngibe nephone phambi kwami nani. I thought okay ngathwasa I thought nokuye ephehlweni kuzonceda. Ekuzange ngincede nix ngiyabuya ngihlangana nabo and ngiyazi omunye umuntu angangibuza ukuthi why ungabaloyi it's not easy. Mina i-calling yami ayifaki into zokuloya. I-calling yami ayikazi ithi thatha lento lo thakatha umuntu. But abantu bazokutsho ukuthi hayi uyathakatha which is something abasiprepare yona masiphuma emphelweni ukuthi bazothi uyathakatha so relax. So ephehlweni beku right bengikhona ukuxoxa nabantu bebakhona abantu bengixoxa nabo but umuntu uzoxoxa naye namhlanje kusasa uhleka ngenkinga yakho. Yabo manje I've got bengitshela ubhuti mengena la ukuthi angibuza athi unabangani ngithi anginabangani. Ngamhlonipha umngani ngo section A. Nginabantu engibaziyo nje. Then nama relatives. Then ngithi lo umngani wami. I've got abantu engibaziyo engixoxa nabo nje. Ngiyamsaba umngani because angazi le No, in time say ukuthi detective magazothi impumene boyfriend am ngo-12 leyo information ithathephi because bekangekho. So it happens, there's a possibility ukuthi umngane wami ushilo lento leyo detective akhulumile, and there's a possibility ukuthi detective wenza story sakhe, and I still wanna know bona bayi-2 ukuthi ubani utheni. And if detective like lento leyo istory nje asenzayo ekangichazise ukuthi why, because lento yenza ukuthi impilo yami ibe nzima kakhulu. Kunalapha ethu mama ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuqhubeka ngecase but ngiyasaba, what if umngane wami naye lapha enkantolo asho ukuthi hayi lo muntu akaripwanga, ngizoyenza njani? Thiwe hayi sisunamanga bese like ngizoyenza njani? Because if detective asho kanje and ngapha yazi detective uzoveza izinto eziningi, your dad said wena unamanga. Bengisaba lento leyo ukuthi lento mangabe uyibhale phansi mise sifika lapha ku case sesiyoxoxa bazombiza stepfather sami bamtshela ukuthi wena mawuthi unamanga bosho like ngani. You understand, because lento leyo yabalwisa kakhulu noma mama, like yabalwisa kakhulu stepfather sami noma mama balwa for that thing ukuthi when thengisa ngecase umntanami. Mom felt like that ukuthi thengisa ngecase umntwana. Story sami yo ngenga bambe le case from esontweni kuxoxwa ngayo bathi mina ngizenza ivictim, bahleba ngami like abanye abantu bahleba ngami kwenye branch ukuthi mina ngizenza ivictim ye rape. So yabo manje mengixoxela umuntu istory sami like ngifuna ukusenza sibe short fast kahle.
Yeah.
Ngiba like kwenza 1 2 3 4 5 and bese ngisihleke mina myself because ngisaba ukuthi ngizothi ngiyaxoxela ngiyakhala and then you'll be saying boy we are act uzenze victim. So ngivele ngisirepe fast nje kumuntu ukuthi hayi kwenzeka 1 2 3 kwenzeka 1 2 3 but in every time ngivela istory somuntu urapiwe yo hlezami babhlungu like ayibi bhlungu for me iba bhlungu for loyo muntu lo because ngiyazi ukuthi irape into enjani, just like this thing yakacwecwe.
Yeah.
Yo inhlezami beyibhlungu like bengizibuza ukuthi okay umntwana omncane kanjalo yabo noma umuphi umuntu futhi kuma podcast lawo mengabona nje kuno rape first thing ngivulayo leyo I wanna hear the story, mhlambe singenza ngcono ngibe nento ukuthi yo ayikho yi1 sibaningi. And it's hard nasemjolweni because angisho uzo open up kumuntu ozojoyina naye ukuthi hayi mina kwayenzeka 1 2 3 life nya umuntu athi ngicela ngenze HIV test. So mara I'm negative ngihlezi ngitest. So I'm like bese ngiyamenza negative into i-HIV test because nanto ukuthi yo ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizom-infecta ngasamthing.
Yeah.
And with the plastic thing kunalapha futhi engithi banginceda lapho. What if ngamitha? What if ngaba ne-HIV? Yawuza ukuthi bezo add inkinga phezulu inkinga.
Not even HIV but other diseases
STI.
as well. Yeah. True. Yeah.
With the plastic thing ukuthi nje bebangayicabanga kahle. Now angiyenzi mistake. Lapho ngihamba khona ngenza ama-condom. Ngisabela ukuthi meningafika leyo langa le bangasebenzisi mhlawumbe plastic. Maybe angeke sabe plastic le Alban kuzoba plastic elimnyama lama dustbin. So nje ngone umuntu ngim-offer ukuthi hayi bamba nokuthi usebenzise plastic. Nasendlini ngihlezi ngenza sure mengahlangana nabantu abaphana ngama-condom bazokutshela endlini packed maningi athi ngiyabeka umama ngibuza wa-collectela ngithi hey never know umuntu uzothi bese angisafuni ngoba nje plastic futhi Albany Brown I think ngahlala iminyaka ngayile
yo
mengiyibona like ngikhala umama manga-understand like up until ngibachazise ukuthi yo le i-Albany Brown bangiripa ngayo but manje sengiyayidla because kunomoya umngane wami evarsity wathi kimi angeke udle into isinkwa esimhlophe asidle si-brown. Ngamchazisela ukuthi yo isinkwa si-brown wathi siyiceremony sayenza iceremony ke yokushisa ama-plastic we-album siwadobha yabo siwadobha and then sawabopha the way mina bengibatshe ukuthi bebawabophe ngakhona then sawashisa ke senze ceremony ukwashisa just ukuthi ngihile.
You know, I wanted to talk about all the people that spoke behind your back, all the people that didn't believe you at church, in your neighborhood, you know.
Yes, in the family.
Yeah, don't expect them to understand. They wouldn't know how it feels until it happens to them. So if you check yourself, you spoke about Kwekwe, you know how it feels because of it happened to you. So all those people, they wouldn't know how it feels until it happens to them, unless if maybe they believe you. So there are those kind of people that they wouldn't really believe you. Even now on this podcast, there are people that would try to blame you or maybe wouldn't believe you. Don't mind them. They wouldn't know how it feels until it happens to them. But I wanted to say that I'm sorry about what happened to you. I wish Lomfana lo singamungenela ngama-camera and expose him to the world, because what he did with his friends was super wrong. And I'm actually so scared. I'm repeating this because there were two young people, Abafana boy, 10-year-old and an 11-year-old. That is super crazy. How old are you?
I'm turning 25 next month.
25? You're still young.
Yeah.
God loves you, man. God loves you. He does. And if you would ask him to revenge, I don't think he would prioritize that now. I think he would prioritize on your healing.
Yeah.
He just wants to see you smile. There's benefits to healing. It will benefit your relationship. It will benefit your happiness. It will also benefit your future and your well-being and your mental state. I don't have so much to say to you, but I just wanted to say that God loves you. I'm praying for your healing.
Thank you.
Those other guys, their day will come. But what's important to me right now is your healing. And your joy, your peace. The most important thing is you being able to sleep at night peacefully.
Ngoba futhi mengabona lo Siphiwe khona, yes, engimbona kuqala endlini. Ngena yena. Noma ngathi umuntu uqeda khulile icathula azibeke eminyango asazozilanda uzongithola kahle because sengibone lo Siphiwe. And which is not right. Like ayikho right. At some point I felt like izifikela lapho sengidelela nomama wami khona. Bese nabo endlini bangabi easy on me, like they'll be like, yeah, njengoba wa rape yabo futhi nje akunabantu abangidisappointe njengefamily. And ngisho na today le ukuthi manje I don't think ngiyabadinga, angibadingi le case. Family angidingi ukuthi bathi manje siyakusupport just because of bazoba on podcast, no. Angibadingi because family mina abanye babo abazange bangikholwa, abanye they acted like ngathi bayangikholwa, but nje ubone ukuthi ayekho noyone obuzayo ukuthi what happened, yabo awusixoxele kahle le story sakho.
Yeah,
they could just nje like mina ngabe ngipostile ngayo ba react. But I'm fine. Like I'm okay. As support uzoyithola kakhulu abantu bangaphandle.
Yeah.
I had people mina bangisupportile ngaphandle and namhlanje ngisababonga. Yabo especially when it comes to mama kaKhensani. Nabo Khensani. Like I feel like uNkulunkulu ngathi ngababusisa kakhulu lapho kuleya family yakaMakhubela. Like they helped me. Ama classmate wami kade ngifunda nabo abosebami ama principal like baze baba involved banginceda. My mom ifamily yakho Stefala samba khona bakade yo futhi yazi khona two aunt ngibiza ngabo Ragadi because Stefala samsuthu abo Ragadi bebeza baze bazongibuza unjani like bebangizwela futhi I feel like ukhuluma igama lakhe lo Ragadi awusesi yo like ungizwele kakhulu angifuni ukuchamba manga and ngiyambonga lapho uNkulunkulu akhona umbusisi mama butwami even though nobhuti wamesilwa sifake futhi indaba nasendlini noma mama mesilwa sifa but iyabazwisa ubhlungu lento le because mama Mtheme ngimtshela ukuthi ngizoya for interview ye rape yo bekajabulile like ekseni athi sithandaze like bekajabulile athi mhlawumbe uzokuphola uzobe ube right. I get on my father's side dollar. I on my father's side mina mama futhi akakholwa mina baba. I remember uke wathi give me wena bakulaya futhi bakuripa. I was like ngizoripa wena. But ke bengisho ngimthusa. Ngimthusa but ke on my father's side dololo ishame ke okay ukhona uanti wami yena uke wazama shem yabo kungikhansela yonke lento angibizi like ngizomvakashela eDurban and stuff ukhona lo anti wami lo the rest ngamanye bangixolele bangikwatele after the podcast bayayithelelani ngayo the rest ayekho nje uke wathi ukuhlala naphansi athi sawuzwa indaba ukuthi uvelwe isimo esikanje esayidini lakhabo mama wabatshela but abazange baparticipate akekho no like abathi no let's yabo sikhulume that's why ngithi ukuthi esayidini le stepfather sam they were bayidlalile indima bayidlalile with my stepsisters yabo stepsister bam even today noma ngathiwa ayanyiwe noma ngathiwa ngiyenzekela something bayazi bazongimela even step brother sam oTebogo uzongimela umndiye usamile uTebogo bazongimela bazongimela noma ngathiwa bazongimela the rest again the rest is history laba abanye and yaboma uthi usaba ukuthi bekukhona abantwana abancane ngithi kune last born yakithi I think that time beyanga understanding ngisakaka ngingakamchazisela leso story because angifuni ukumdamage ingqondo like angazi ngihlala phansi mhlambe nayo uzoyibona ke manje podcast angazi ngimchazisela ukuthi what happened kahle uyazi nje ukuthi siswami ke wa rape but siswami strong.
Give him some time, man. Give him some time. You know, thank you for mentioning everybody that supported you within the family. And even those that couldn't really support you, I don't want you to blame them. Some people, they don't know how to deal with the situation. You know, sometimes mauli mele, and then you sleep at the hospital, people are going to come, banana, you know, because that's what they know. That's what they can do. But when it comes to rape, they should speak to you or ganjan because they're not really educated, you know, in that field. No, umuntu ma rape you, you know, so, you know. But I wanted to say that even with the people, even with the family, people in your community, when they see you from today, they mustn't look at you as a girl who was raped. They must look at you as a woman who's young, who went to varsity, who has a bright future. You're not just a girl who was raped. You're a very beautiful young lady.
Yeah. Okay, I forgot to mention this.
Yeah.
Nginomuntu engijwayele ukuthi like ngixoxe naye yonke into angincede ne. Naye ngingamkhohle ngazathi ngiyamkhohle.
Yeah.
Sisithandaza naye like akusi family like family ne siyamazi nje ngoba uye kwa ngiyazana nomalume wami. But leyo muntu loyo we are all out yabo nje nanoma ngathi ngipost ukuthi I'm not okay uzongibuza kwenzakaleni like uyambuka ukuthi uyafuna ukunginceda but I remember uke wazama ukungiorganizela like is psychologist ukuthi ngiyokhuluma naye but ke that time benganamali ukuthi ngiye kuye yabo and then like washo ukuthi ngabe ushilo ukuthi awunamali ngithumelele yabo uze like yena ke shame yena nayingamkhohlwa.
Yeah, you've got a very beautiful future coming through, you know, and sometimes you just have to turn a potato into a mashed potato. What I'm trying to mean is that sometimes this whole situation, even though you can't take it away, you just have to use it to inspire other young people out there. You just have to use it to encourage those who went through it so that they can be strong the way you are, so that they are able to overcome this whole thing. Do you get me? So that's how you should also look at it. Laba banya laba, don't mind them. Their day will come, unless if maybe something happens, but I don't know. I don't know them. But you reap what you sow.
Yeah.
You reap what you sow.
Thank you. Yes, ngiyabonga kakhulu for amazwi wakho, like thank you. And ngibona ukuthi ngisheshe na respond. Like ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga sisi wami ne.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.